Right, darling, nearly lunchtime. You want some drink?
Yeah, thanks. Thank you.
Oh, what would you like to have for lunch?
I bought 2 lettuces.
I know, you bought a lot of lettuces. I don't know what to do with it.
Do Yok Sung?
Yok Sung.
Could do.
Yeah, we could do Yok Sung. Right, you want Yok Sung, so you get Yok Sung today. And I thought I would do the blog of this recipe as well for the people in the UK because of in England, when we fancy some Chinese food, most people or most of our friends go to the Chinese restaurant and they order this dish actually. Right, the ingredients for this dish are lettuce, minced meat, so you can use beef, minced chicken, minced pork, minced turkey, or if you are vegetarian you can use the corn as well. You got sweet pepper, onion, ginger, carrots, bamboo shoot. I get it from the Chinese supermarket. It's in the tin like this, bamboo shoot, and then I slice it into cube. So in the recipe it say about 7 pieces. That's just the guideline. If you want to put more in, just put more in. And then the water chestnut, again I got it from the Chinese supermarket. Let me get it and show you like that. And inside it got, this is the water chestnut. It gives a crunch, so you just slice it, chop it down into like cube like that, like that. And then the trinity of the taste of Chinese dish, which you don't forget, is like sesame oil, oyster sauce, and soy sauce, and that's it. Okay. So turn on the pan onto medium heat. Put in your oil. I use the fry light to help us with our health. Or you can use a vegetable oil that you have at home as well. Put onion in. For Yok Sung, after you cook the minced meat with other ingredients already, of course this dish is like minced meat served in the lettuce cup. You might wonder what to do with the iceberg lettuce to make it into the cup. It's actually very simple. So what you have to do, just smash it down like that. Like that. Okay, and then you just get the center of the lettuce out. like that. And that will lose all the leaf out. So you just easily peel the lettuce off one by one, leaf at a time. And then put in the serving bowl. Like that. Do it again. Just gently. Another leaf out. So we make the cup ready for us. And now we're ready to plate up. Garnish it with spring onion and coriander. And here you are, as you requested. Wait one moment, I'm just getting the lettuce cup.